Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to check device name in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to check your device name, so you can check it in this video guys. I will show you how to check device name. So let's see how to check device name. So guys, first of all guys, open your phone setting to check device name. Phone setting, click here. Guys, scroll it and guys come on about phone setting. So you can see the last one guys, about phone. Click here. Then guys you can see, click here. Then guys you can check your device name, Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check device name in Vivo Y53s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.